Thank you for continuing this tutorial series and watching this video. If you haven't seen previous video, please I recommend you to watch those. Otherwise, you can follow this tutorial. Still, you can see the previous videos, so you can make it by yourself, or you can find the download link in the description of this file. Okay. In this video, I'll teach you how to calculate goal by player. Okay, click on this plus icon. I will create a new sheet. One thing, just right click here. We can see some option. We can insert a sheet. We can delete the sheet, rename. We can select all the sheet and we can delete all of them. But for now, let's change the tab color. Let's make it purple. Okay, it's looking perfect. Okay, double click on it. Let's change GOAL calculation. Okay, at the top I'll select few cell, and in previous video I have shown you how by clicking here merge and center, but in this time what I'm going to do, just click on this format. Here you can see more option on merge cell. You can see the only merge cell and merge and center cell. That means when I click on center cell, the text will be on the center. Now this time we are going to do merge cell. Okay, roll goal calculation. Okay, you can see it is not aligned properly, so let's make it manually. Just click on align center and center vertically. Okay, we can do it like this. This is the another way. Okay, now here what we will not copy all of the name. We are not doing this just like this. We are not copying this. What we can do is just go to the goal calculation. Just click on the first column. Here press an equal sign, give an equal sign, and click on this name and press enter. Here you can see the name has been moved to here. This is copied. Okay, just when we double click on it, you can see this is on pair info. This is the sheet name. In the single column, inside this single column we have the sheet name. Before that we have this dollar sign. Okay, this is the cell number. Okay, C4. Let's check it. Just click here. You can see the cell number is C4. Okay, now what we are going to do, just uh, take your mouse cursor here. When the cursor will be plus sign, then just take it down. Here you can see all of them are become 0 because we haven't any value below here. Okay, just delete it. Now in the second column we are going to make it by yourself. Club. I'm going to input all of them manually. Here this is not the actual number. Here I inputted all of the. Okay, now we are going to calculate them. At first we are going to add all of them by using a formula that is called sum. Just write m sum, give a bracket and select the first one and drag and drop to the last one and close the first bracket. Here you can find addition of all of the club goal. Okay, all of the club goal by all player. Okay, now let's add this. Just write sum first bracket select all of them and close the first bracket and press enter. Okay, one more thing, if you know something went wrong here, you don't want to execute it, so what you can do is just press escape button, so you can get out of this formula like this. Okay, let's add another column. Let's make it total goal. Okay, add the same way, but this time we are going to add all goal in horizontally. Just give a equal sign, first bracket, sum, first bracket, select all the goal and close the first bracket. Okay, now select the first one, select this first one, and when your cursor will be plus sign, just click and drag it to the bottom. Here you can see everything is calculated automatically. Just double click on it, you can see sum and C8 to E8 has been selected. In next video we are going to find the answer by calculating this. Okay, this goal we are going to give answer by calculation. We are not going to do it manually. We will find all of the answer in the next video, so stay tuned. This video is already too long. See you in next video.